Before installing any new version of the print driver for PC or Mac OS, uninstall the previous driver first. As such, this video will demonstrate how to uninstall the print driver, followed by installation instructions. If you are installing the print driver for the first time and need to review, skip to 5 minutes and 3 seconds in this video. First, you'll need to download your printer's corresponding series driver install package and GT Printer Driver Uninstall tool. While the process is similar across printer models, only select and download the install and uninstall files for your printer. From this point forward, the instructions are the same across printers, with the major exception being the install file you use. GTX600 will be used as an example for this video. Remember to use the files that correspond to your printer model. To begin the uninstallation process for either operating system, disconnect your computer from the printer. Locate your printer settings by typing Printers and Scanners in the search bar on Windows or Spotlight bar on Mac OS. Next, clear your computer's printing queue and file output. Make sure that there are no active print jobs occurring. In the macOS printer window, press the minus button to delete the printer. Next, you will need to delete the GTX6 application tools. You can delete them by clicking and dragging them to the trash or right-clicking them and deleting them. Empty the trash when done. Uninstallation on Mac is complete when the print jobs are cleared, the printer is deleted, and the GTX6 apps are deleted. For Windows PC users, run the Device Driver Uninstall tool. The file is inside the Uninstall tool folder labeled brempnp.exe. In the Uninstall window, select the printer you want to uninstall and click OK. Follow the on-screen prompts to remove all driver files from your computer. When finished, click OK and close the tool. Note, the next few steps ensure a thorough removal of any extra driver files. First, open the original printer driver package folder that was previously used for installation. Inside, open the setup.exe file. A prompt will appear asking to remove the application and all associated features. Press Yes to complete the uninstallation. Once the uninstallation is complete, the printer icon will no longer exist in your printer list. Next, open your computer's registry editor. Locate the editor by typing regedit in the Start menu search bar. Attention! The registry editor contains many important files that your computer needs for regular operation. Only delete the specified folder in this tutorial. Do not delete anything else, otherwise your computer may cease proper functionality. To get to GTX-6 tools, open these folders in order: HKey Local Machine, Software, WOW6432 Node, Brother. For GTX600 users, locate the folder titled GTX-6 Tools. Right-click the GTX6 Tools folder and select Delete. Once deleted, close the registry editor. Total uninstallation and removal of files on Windows computers is complete. Before installing your drivers on Windows or Mac, make sure your printer is running the latest firmware version. Ensure your computer has uninstalled all previous version print driver files and connect your computer to the printer. On Mac, open the driver package file. On Windows, open the package folder and double-click setup.exe. No matter the operating system chosen, the installation wizard will appear. Follow all on-screen instructions to install your driver. Select the language and software location. Review the terms and conditions and press install. When the installation is finished, you may be asked to restart your computer. Restart the computer if prompted. Once installed, your print drivers are inside the Brother GTX600 Tools folder on Windows and the Applications folder on macOS. Installation is complete.